Hi, today we're back at our Grade 2 listed house, and this video is to help you investors in your property journey, and it's going to be filled with knowledge, gems and just some secret tips in terms of design and build. We're going to be starting on the top floor. We've got 3 flats within this house. We've got the upper floors, a middle floor, and then the downstairs where there's a big basement dig going on, which I'm going to share with you so that you can pick up some tips and also share some of the hurdles that we've faced as developers. This hallway is now complete. We're going to have some runners on this stairs with some bars. You can see the selection of colours, the materials that all flow really nice. We've got an original hardwood floor. One really important detail here is this skylight that we've put in, which has got a really nice LED surround, which is a very nice wow factor up here, and the buyers are going to love that. Another thing is the join between the floors of the wood and the tiles, which I'm going to zoom in here, get a bit closer. You can see it's all flush on one level, so that's a testimony to good design, build, and the quality of the build. That's really important. Straight in front of us we've got a bathroom. The choice of materials is really important. It all flows really nicely. We've got some nice texture on those cream tiles, so it's got a little bit more of a tactile feel to it, and then the choice of colours really flows. Looking behind, it's important when we design this: are we going to have a shower? Are we going to have a bath? What's the resale price? What is the buyer profile going to want? And we decided to give them a main bathroom here, and that's all just finished to a really good standard. Looking back this way, hallway looks amazing. And then I'm going to quickly run through these 2 rooms here. So bedroom 1 upstairs, double bed in between those 2 lights. We place it for them. We don't leave anything to the buyers choosing. And we've also given them some bespoke fitted wardrobes, which is what a lot of developers don't do. And if I open one of these doors, you'll see that they all light up as well. We've got a nice oak finish. It's not chipboard, it's really good quality wood oak finish based on the price that we're going to be looking to close this at as well. Let's take a look next door. We're just having the wall lights fitted. As you can see, the choice of colours is really important as well. So these are Farrow and Ball colours, and they're all selected by our architect, and yeah, they look absolutely stunning. That hallway, wow, that looks amazing. Let me go downstairs now. Here on the stairs there's going to be some carpet runners, which will have some bars. Now, just so you understand, that's the top floor, and in the same apartment we've got the reception, a bathroom and another study. So this is a 1 bathroom, 2 bedrooms. Coming downstairs we've got an open plan kitchen and lounge here. So typical Georgian properties in northwest London, high demand, and this is the usual space that you'll get. And then next door to that we've got a bathroom. With the bathroom we've gone for a really nice design once again. Some of these recesses, look at the quality here in terms of how that's finished. All really nicely done. And then downstairs we've got the glass, which will now be installed to cover the shower. Once again, same as upstairs, we've got a similar tile selection here, which has got the marble effect, exactly the same quality of finish, and this is just a slightly different colour. Now, the original kitchen was in here, and what we did as developers, we wanted to create value. So a secret is, why have a separate kitchen? That's a luxury. We don't need to do that. So let's move the kitchen from here, put it into the open plan, and then what you get is another spare room, which the end user can use as a children's room, a study, or whatever they want. So it now becomes 2 bedrooms upstairs, another 3rd room there, and then behind me we've got an open plan kitchen and lounge. On this stairs we're going to have the runners as well. It gives it a much more homely feel. And then straight in front of you, we've got a cutout now. We're having a bespoke door fitted with a nice piece of glass there. Now that door right in front of us will then lead to a private roof terrace. Let me just open this for you. A private roof terrace, which has got some really nice views of a small residential square. You can see all of the neighbours' properties as well. And then as we enter again, that's the entrance to the flat above, and then the communal staircase goes downstairs, and then we enter a one-bedroom apartment. As we enter this one-bedroom apartment, on the right-hand side, it's a mirror image, open plan kitchen and lounge, bespoke kitchens being fitted here. And then straight in front of me, that will then lead on to a bedroom, and beyond that glass on the left-hand side is a walk-in wardrobe and a bathroom, which is absolutely stunning. Colours again, very important. Quality, very important. On this wall here, just before you enter that room, there'll be some crystal glass doors, and then we enter the room here, and then we'll turn left here, and we've got two really nice bedside lights. Let me just show you this light, how it comes out, and the other one as well, so you can position it as when you're reading. A bed goes there, and the buyers may ask, where's the storage? And that's a problem. However, we give them a solution. On the right hand side here, we go down, we've got a sunken walk-in wardrobe, which is all bespoke, and then that leads on to a really snazzy, well-designed, well-thought-out bathroom as well. How cool are those tiles? That's experience for you guys, so that's important. And then here outside, we've also got a bench here, which will have some tufted cushion on top, and then there's going to be some shoe storage underneath. Let's have a look at these fitted wardrobes. As we open, lights come on, enough storage there as a solution. Must consider that for the end users as well, so that's really important. Over here right in front of you, there'll be a floating piece of wood, and we will have a study there as well. And then this glass here gets changed to a crystal glass, which is the in thing at the moment, and it will sell super fast. Let me go downstairs. As I go downstairs, I'm going to be asking the guys to stop there drilling. Can't stop the tiler because he's slightly behind schedule based on deliveries, but that's one of the hurdles, and you've got to allow time constraints for that. Let's walk into the ground floor. This is where we're having some major works done. As we enter here, we have got 2 rooms. 2 minutes. Yeah. So this is the double reception room here, and then as part of the value add, beyond that second opening there, that's all new created space where we got planning permission to go out into the airspace, create another room here, which is going to have a kitchen on that side. And then what we did on the left hand side, we've got a sunken dining room, which has got this really nice curved wall. And then from this level, we will also have a door there, which will have a connecting bridge. And we will then have a bridge that connects to an external office, and I'm going to turn that into something like an Apple store, which is going to be a home office. As you can see from here downstairs, all of that has been hand dug, and it was an absolute mission. However, our guys are really experienced, and it was a breeze for us, so no issues there. Let's go downstairs. Top tiler, by the way. Look at the quality of these tiles. And then it's going to be going into this bathroom, which will accommodate a bedroom on this level as well. But that's the other side of the curved wall. Look at those tiles. Oh, amazing. And then we're going to have a toilet on this side. That's all got to be planned, and a basin opposite. Right, let's go downstairs. This is where we've had some experience counts here, and serious work done here. So we have a bathroom in front of us, that's all being tiled now. Working our way up, it was more complete. Working our way down, This is where there was a lot more laborious work. However, we can start selling the flats upstairs whilst this gets completed, and we're about another 4 weeks away from this flat. In front of us, we've got 2 bedrooms, and then to the right of me, we have a bathroom, a main bathroom. These tiles, they're not your standard marble tiles. Look at the patterns. It's all about the grain on the tiles, and it's a bit more design orientated. Quality is really important. So once we've spent the money on these tiles and they get laid down, we've got to make sure that they're not damaged, and you've got to make sure that your wood floors and your tiles don't get damaged. And the way you do that is your contractors must cover. So I've just uncovered this just so you can see, and then we'll just cover it up so no damage can be caused here. In front of us, we've got 2 bedrooms. This is the first of the bedrooms, and then this is the boudoir bedroom here. So as you enter here, immediately as you enter, you're right in front of you. You've got a. You have to wait for the finished product just to see the ensuite here. But one of the main points in this ensuite is you're going to have a basin there. And then once you're washing your hands, you're going to be able to see into your bedroom, and then there'll be some crystal glass there looking onto a really nice landscape courtyard, and above you, you're going to have a home office as well. So that's going to be absolutely a killer. All of this here has been hand dug as part of what's called a method statement. All these buckets were filled and then they were taken up by hand. If you're not experienced, stay away from this type of construction and investment, because you're going to get burnt. And luckily we've got the right teams around us, and it was a breeze for us. Once it gets dug down, according to a method statement that's given to us by the planning officers and the heritage, we then have to have a party wall agreement with left-hand side neighbour, right-hand side neighbour, and then there's some underpinning that's done here, all the way across there, and then all the way across as well. And then every section has to be approved and then get signed off so that we can get our approval certification at the end, building control. This here, in terms of quality, I had to make sure that we're delivering something that was of a high standard. So previously this was partitioned. I asked the guys to take the partition away and make it a much more solid section for when they have showers and, a sink there. And it's now been breeze blocked and bricked as well. So it just makes it a lot more quality. Let me just show you the ensuite here. So that's how the ensuite's going to be. You can see it looks impressive, and yeah, it's all going well. So look, you can see some of the hurdles that we've faced here. Hopefully that gives you a real understanding of some of the construction and design, and helps you. And I'll be doing further videos like this, which are real life, on the ground scenarios. And that is the best way to learn. So it's not about entertainment, it's not about editing, it's not about making these videos look super cool. It's about showing you what it's like on the ground, the hurdles, the constraints, the problems, how we overcome them, the design, the build, and there's so much to it. And with information like this, it hopefully gives you a little bit more understanding. Something that I'm really excited today about, as I'm coming here as well, we've now got delivery of the shower screens as well, which is a bespoke glass that's been cut to size, toughened so that it complies with building regulations, and that's going to be installed. And once that's installed, it's going to turn those showers into a more complete finished product, and it's going to be really nice for me to see. That's our top electrician there as well. So look, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing more videos like this. I've got another video that I'm going to be doing, which is a 4-month construction challenge. So stay tuned. Take care.